All right, good day and welcome to Physics Workroom. Now, today we shall be talking about fractions. We shall be talking about how to simplify fractions to its simplest form. Simplifying fractions. Now, how do we reduce fractions to the simplest form? That is what we shall be talking about today. Now, I'm going to take some few examples so that after that you can also practice on your own. All right, example number 1. I have this fraction here, 16 divided by 36. 16 divided by 36. Now, how do I solve this problem? All right, because both the numerator and the denominator are even number, I can start by dividing with 2. Anytime you have an even number, you can divide by 2. So I can easily divide these two by 2 because they are even numbers. So I have divided by 2 divided by 2. Please remember that you have to divide both the numerator and the denominator with the same number. You have to divide both the numerator and the denominator with the same number. So this will give me, what is 16 divided by 2? That's 8. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Then when I divide 36 by 2, I have 18. 36 divided by 2 is 18. As you can see, I still have even number up here and even number down here. So again, I can divide the two of them by 2. Remember once again, you must divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number, 2 divided by 2. So what is 8 divided by 2? Everybody knows that to be 4. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Then when I divide 18 by 2, what do I have? I have 9. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So you can see that I have an even number up and an odd number down. For this one, this is the simplest form I can have. So the simplest form of the fraction 16 over 36 is 4 divided by 9. It's 4 over 9. Okay, let me go to the example number 2. For the second example, I have 75 divided by 125. 75 divided by 125. Now you can see that these two numbers are odd numbers because they end with 5. Anytime a number ends with 5, you can divide it by 5. Anytime a number ends with 5, you can divide it by 5. So because the two of them, both the numerator and the denominator, as you can see, ends with 5. So you can divide by 5. So this divided by 5 and this divided by 5. What do I have at the end of the day? I will have 75 divided by 5 is 15. When you divide 75 by 5, you get 15. And 125 divided by 5 is 25. 125 divided by 5 is 25. You can say I can still divide this further. The two numbers still ends in 5. Then I can again divide by 5. I have this divide by 5 and this divide by 5. When I divide the 2 by 5, what is 15 divided by 5? I have 3. And 25 divided by 5 is 5. As you can see, I cannot divide these two any longer. So this is the simplest form. Therefore, the simplest form of 75 over 125 is 3 over 5. It is 3 over 5. Now let's take example number 3. Example number 3. For number 3, I have 26 divided by 65. 26 divided by 65. As you can see, I have an even number at the numerator and an odd number at the denominator. So how can I divide this? Now I have to look at several possible numbers I can use to divide this. All right, I cannot divide by 2 because 65 is odd number. All right, 65 is odd number. Okay, so when you look at it, the only number you can use to divide the two of them at the same time is 13. When I divide this by 13, 1, 3, and this by 13, what do I have at the end of the day? 26 divided by 13 is 2, and 65 divided by 13 is 5. So the simplest form of 26 over 25 is 2 over 5. It is 2 divided by 5. Alright, let us take another example, number 4. Example number 4. I have 8 divided by 56. 8 divided by 56. How can I divide this? I'm sure you know this by now. Because these two are in even numbers, I can easily start with 2. I divide the numerator by 2. I also divide the denominator by 2. Again, remember, you have to divide both the numerator and the denominator with the same number. So 8 divided by 2, everybody knows that 8 divided by 2 is 4. Then 56 divided by 2 is 28. 56 divided by 2 is 28. Now I can divide further because both the numerator and the denominator are even numbers. They are even numbers. So I can again divide by 2. So I have 4 divided by 2 and 28 divided by 2. What do I have when I do that? This will give me 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 28 divided by 2 is 14. 28 divided by 2 is 14. You can see that I can divide even further because I have even number up and even number down. So I will again divide by 2. Then again denominator by 2. What is 2 divided by 2? That is 1. What is 14 divided by 2? That is 7. As you can see, I cannot divide further. So the simplest form of 8 over 56 is 1 over 7. 8 over 56 is 1 over 7. Let us take the final example. Example number 5. Final example. I have 99 divided by 165. 99 divided by 165. Now, because the numerator and the denominator are odd numbers, and it is not the two of them that ends with 5. Because they are odd numbers, I will try to divide by 3 first. So I will divide the numerator by 3 and divide the denominator by 3. What is 99 divided by 3? That will give you 33. This is 33. Then I have 165 divided by 3 will give you 55. Now I have 33 and 55. What I can use to divide this is 11. 3, 3, 5, 5. I can use 11 to divide the two of them. So I have divided by 11, divided by 11. What will this give me? 33 divided by 11 will give me 3. And 55 divided by 11 will give me 5. Therefore, the simplest form of 99 over 165 is 3 over 5. The simplest form of 99 over 165 is 3 over 5. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you do, try to solve some examples on your own and share with your friend. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.